Hi, welcome to my channel Techie Krish. And so today I am going to discuss the old function, that is query, which we have been discussing since long. And apart from query, I'll also include data validation along with the query function. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet over here. If you see, the entire data is here: name, mother's name, father's name, houses, and streams. So what I want that using the drop down list of data validation, I'll uh, create the list of the streams: PCMCS, PCMIP, and PCMB. So they are, or maybe I can create a drop down list of houses, because every student in the school belongs to some house, maybe Ashoka, Tagore, Nehru, or Raman. So I'll create a drop-down list of the houses and how many students or students who belong to that particular house, which we click through the drop-down, will be listed in another column. Okay. So take a sheet. So this is my demo sheet. Over here, I have created the houses and a list of names. So the drop-down list will be created here, and when we click the house name, uh, the students belonging to that particular house will be listed in this column. Okay, so click on this A2 and going to create a data validation. So click the data, and from this menu, data validation, add the rule, give the name, say Ashoka, then Nehru, Nehru, then Raman, then Tagore. So this is my list, which will create a drop down menu. Done, and cross it. So my list is created here. Okay, now come to this cell where I'm going to apply the query function, and this time I'll apply the query function, which will uh, be created using the query function along with uh, the cell address. So I'll mention the cell address for in that query, so that um, the students belonging to that particular house will be listed here. So equal and bracket. Let's move to a main sheet. So my main sheet is this. Click here. So the complete list is K41. K41 is my list, and the list should be in the braces. And since I wanted to apply the query, so I write query here. Now comma query. So I write the query, select, and what you want, we wanted the name. Name is on column B2. So select call to where house is on column 5. So where column 5 is equal to, And this time I'm going to mention the cell address. So the cell address is of type string. Why? Because the houses are there. So house, since this is a string, so I'll take single quotes and then double quotes, and the cell address is this. The cell address is this. So I'll mention column house is A2, and before A2 you will have to mention ampersand sign, and after ampersand sign then double quotes and single quotes and comma 0. Query completed. Empty output. Why empty output? Because column. Okay, no issue. Enter. So not available. If I click say Ashoka house, because A2 was empty that time, but as soon as I clicked on the item Ashoka, it's listed the names of these students here. So if I click on Nehru, it'll it'll give the list of the Nehru House students. If I click on Raman, it'll give the list of Raman House students. If I click on the Tagore House, it'll give the list of Tagore House students. So this way we can apply data validation and the query. So hope you understand the concept of this thing. How to apply the condition using the data validation. And over here, this is the cell address of that drop down list. And since here they are quotes, single quotes. Why? Because houses are alphanumeric, and that is why I have used single quotes and this series, double quotes and this macro. And if would have been the number, like in place of Tagore House, if it would have been any number, then I would have not used single quotes. And since there is no header, and that is why I have used 0 here. So hope you understand. So if you understand, kindly practice it and share with your friends and higher ups. That's all for the day. We'll meet in the next video. Kindly share and subscribe, please. So this is my request, humble request. Kindly share my subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.